Early morning Wednesday, Bureau of Corrections operatives entered the prison doors. Now on their third inspection in less than 2 weeks, these men won each area, every corner of New Bilibid prison check, with even worship sites like this Buddhist temple unspared, and they made sure they were not offending religious sensitivities.
Hindi naman, nagpapaalam naman na kami sa kanila at kasama naman yung head ng simbahan.
They also inspected the bungalow cell of convicted robber Herbert Golanco, who is now detained at National Bureau of Investigation. Last year, authorities raided his studio in jail, where he produced a music video using sophisticated equipment. Again, agents inspected each area. Bore holes in the wall where other items could be hidden. During the inspection, they confiscated imported goods and toiletries, and other forbidden items that were paraded before the media, like high-end appliances such as this microwave oven, burner, refrigerator, washing machine, lots of antennas, and even a copier machine. There were even imported alcohol and male performance-enhancing drugs. But that's not enough, as another cart arrived with these cute little Shih Tzus. The inmates could do nothing as they watched behind steel bars while authorities took their belongings and their pets. Relatives of inmates can take home these dogs, but for now, Bucor officials will take care of them. All confiscated forbidden items were put in the Bilibid's basketball court. It now looks like a big surplus shop. Despite frequent inspections, these expensive items keep turning up. Bucor Chief Ricardo Cruz admits some of his men might be working with rich inmates.
Yung connivance ng tao namin.
Cruz says a major investigation is now underway. He adds he will not hesitate to fire his erring men.
Sa panahon ko, siguro mga 20 na siguro na pirma kong completed investigation report.
Director General Cruz, however, partly blames their low budget as the reason why they can't easily fire their men.
Yung ilalagay naming bagong pamalit, mga dati ring natanggal din. So, nahihirapan kaming mag-reshuffle.
The number of Bucor personnel is still at 1,800, the same number of men hired since 1989. All Cruz can promise now is that by December, there will be more X-ray machines in place, metal detectors like in airports, and higher walls. Rex Remitio, CNN, Philippines.